Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can learn investing for free using the Investmate app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Investmate app. First you have to download it, but then you just have to open it and you will see these few opening pages when you download the app. If you are new to the app, it's going to show you these 3 pages. Learn to trade for free, anytime, anywhere, on your phone, obviously. Guided courses to help you learn easily, and set goals and track your achievements. And you just have to start learning, and you have to sign up to the app. So there are going to be a few questions. Are you new to trading? Yes. Let's say yes. Here you have to choose from these 3 choices. I really like the design of the app. It's really clean and professional. So choose the goal you want to accomplish. Learn the ABCs of finance, learn how to predict trends, or become an expert in CFD trading. So let's say we are at the beginning and we are going to learn the ABCs of finance. Now, designing, creating courses and quizzes, preparing cards, videos, and everything. And yeah, we are in the app. So from here, you can start learning for free. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.